Today on the YouTube channel, we're talking Ford Power Strokes. Guys, last week we had our L5P Duramax on the dyno, equipped with our D3 HP package. If you missed that video, check out the link here or jump in the description below. Now back to business. Guys, the Ford 6.7 Power Strokes made from 11 all the way up to 2020. Guys, these trucks are vicious, but they need to be powered with a little bit more air and a little bit more fuel. And that's what we're doing to the truck behind me. It's a 2016 Ford F250 that's getting our F3 HP package. On the table, you can see we've got a bunch of powder-coated parts. We have a pusher intakes piping kit. We have a Bullseye S366 turbocharger. So that's what's going to be airing this truck on the dyno. But what's actually going to be fueling it? Let's check that key component out. So what's fueling our F3 HP package? A RCD CP4.2 Stroker pump. Guys, let's wrap our head around this mentally. Why we would upgrade from a CP4.2 pump to a Stroker version. This RCD pump features a 10.33 millimeter camshaft. Now let's dive into why you would just even upgrade it. Your factory pump over here does a great job. We've made 590 real horsepower out of it, still maintaining rail pressure. The truck behind us, it's going to get our F3 HP package, meaning we need fuel, and we need a lot of fuel, but we don't want to get crazy. And that's where this CP4 pump comes into play. Your injector has an on time, a maximum amount of efficiency. If we open an injector for longer than what we made, say, that 590 on, say we're going to try to make that 630 horse, but we're going to add a little bit more on time to it, the stock CP4 pump can't fuel, so our efficiency goes down, but the pump's supposed to supply fuel. Now here's where a Stroker pump comes into play. This pump, when we say, hey, we need this amount of pressure, 30,000 pounds of it, there's more volume there to have. So therefore this, with our F3 HP package, we're gonna be shortening that pulse width. That way our efficiency goes up. We have tons of pressure there, more than we did with the factory CP4 pump. That way, we don't crack a piston, we don't have to add a lot of timing, and we make the power goal that we're shooting for. So that's what's fueling our F3 HP package. You guys are going to subscribe because next week we're going back to back on the dyno, all in one video of our F1 HP package, the stock VGT turbo, the stock CP4, and we're comparing it to our F3 HP package. Is there that much of a gain when upgrading to a 66mm turbocharger and a RCD Stroker CP4 pump? We want to know, you guys want to know, but here's something more importantly, and you guys can ask us a question in the comments. What's going on inside the engine? Do you guys want to see the injector on time to know if this pump is actually doing the job that it's supposed to do? So make sure you drop us a comment below. L5P owners, we've built you up pretty high. But these Ford trucks, in our opinions, have been way underrated, and they're coming in with a swing. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and Ford guys, we're rooting for you next week here at Point Blank Performance.